দরকার নেই, এটা দরকার নেই বোধ দরকার সায়ন্তর কোটা এটা এটা
My lord, may I audible, my lord?
yes.
My lord, last occasion I took time on
Yes,
the ground there to verify the order passed by the Allahabad High Court. Thereafter,
Not only that, first thing is that you want to seek a change of that date. So that date, how it will be relevant for ultimately to be corrected or not be corrected.
2010 or 17. This is the issue.
Sorry?
Yeah,
No, I'm
whether
not
it is
asking what is the date.
Yes.
I have been asking you that please check whether that change is required and does it have any impact. Now, since you are suggesting a date post pronouncement of the judgment, now the learned senior counsel for the respondent in the appeal says that date is also would not be relevant because that order you are suggesting containing the date has been already set aside by the Allahabad High Court. This is the sum and substance of the issue.
Exactly, my lord. I am just adding 2 points in this regard. After the order of the Allahabad High Court, what my estate friend said that this single judge has passed.
Sir, you are please kindly first answer the first query, then second query we will deal with.
That is relevant because he's retired 2010.
I hope you I hope you get the first point that by this change of this date in the judgment, what would happen?
It is impacting
because if you look at the judgment,
my lord,
that date is not a subject matter of controversy. The judgment of the honorable single judge that was dealt with by the writ appellate court deals with something else. This date is maybe relevant for calculation from that particular date. So then also I asked you, if maybe your learned junior, they should note it because repeating the issue again and again leads to nowhere. If you want, I'll again dictate an order. We will dictate an order, and that will be on record. So you can answer. So now you are started addressing that whether Allahabad High Court has set aside or not set aside.
Please no, my lord. But what I am to, my lord, I seek some time because the query made by
the hard learned counsel for the petitioner, it a IA number. But when you are seeking time, please seek this instruction. So tell the court that by change of this date or this particular date mentioned because that is date of superannuation. So you want shifting of that date prior to whatever has been recorded.
Exactly.
So how is it relevant for determination? Because that was not decided by the said list. Neither it was a issue before the single judge nor before the appellate court as you have filed the appeal. Even that was not prayer in the appeal also. That such and such date is to be reconsidered or there is a type of typographic letter, that's another thing. But since you have raked up the issue, the learned senior says that date is not required also because it's already been struck down. Sorry, kindly listen to the order. So one is green, one is red. That's the confusion. The last order ta achi ki? IA number 9037 of 2023. The learned DSGI refers to the earlier order dated 25/4/2025, passed in the IA. In response to paragraphs 3 and 4, it is submitted that he is yet to obtain instruction. 3 and 4 of the said order. He is yet to obtain instruction and may be accommodated further. The learned senior counsel appearing for the respondent opposite party reiterates his submissions as noted in the said order dated 25/4/2025. How much time, Mr. Padi?
2 weeks time, my lord. After vacation.
No, not after vacation. You see, this is a special.
After 2 weeks.
You see, you are delaying the matter. You are yourself not sure. When the petitioner and the appellant is itself not sure what it is filing, why it is filing a petition, that becomes very difficult. And it's a content pending for non-compliance.
After 10 days, any date.
Yes. List on 15/5/2025 as prayed for by the learned DSGI to enable him to obtain instruction. It is expected that since the petition is moved by the appellant petitioner, the instruction shall be provided. जोटा 15 लिखलेन कि पब्लिक लिख दियंतु when this bench sits next. जदि आगुरु हेला भी आगुरु लिस्ट हे जिवो.
आगे ठीक अछि.
एथरे के अछंती DSJ along with Mr. Deepak Gochayat.
हां Deepak Gochayat, Rakesh Behera.
Rakesh Behera both are CGC. My lord.
Both are CGC.
D Gochayat R Behera CGC.
Oblige, my lord.
Mr. Tripathi, I didn't ask you that. Could you comprehend that? What is the reason of changing the date? I could not because we are struggling there actually.
Oh, well, it is unfortunate for the opposite party to file that document saying that was the date when that order is no more.
No. That we have recorded. Yes. That we have recorded. Yes. Yes. Next.
Item 2, my lord, pray for adjournment.
The last occasion also you have prayed for adjournment. Contempt रे जोटा फास्ट मैटर contempt अच्छी. Want to release करते हैं. That will facilitate the. हमारा ऐसे नहीं. इनका चीज पता नहीं division में चल रहा है. Retapulate कर वर्तन को. Contempt in view of the order passed in इत्ते. IA number इत्ते. Contempt may be listed on 15/5/2025 oblique when this bench sits next. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁଟା ସାର୍? ଆଜ୍ଞା
ବିଜୟ ସ୍ୱରୂପ ନନ୍ଦ.
କୋଉଠୁ ପଳେଇ ଆସିବେ?
ବିଜୟ ସ୍ୱରୂପ ନନ୍ଦ.
Mr. Vijay Swarup Nanda. Mr. B.S. Nanda submits that in absence of the senior counsel, Mr. Mahapatra, the matter may be adjourned. The matter was adjourned at the instance of the petitioner earlier on 25/4/2025. List after vacation when this bench sits next.
May it please your lordship. Item number 3.
Item 2 रे दीटा मैटर अछि. Mr. Nanda दीटा जाक अर्जन हबो त आपण पळौछोंती कोन? Yes, don't be in a hurry. Yes. To leave the court. Second matter is here. Item 1 now, item 2 रे की government counsel? Mr. Devraj Mahanti AG. Yes, Dr. Ranjit.
Yes, my lord.
Why it has been listed?
Yeah, may it please your lordships. I have filed the IA in this criminal appeal, my lord. And the appellant is already in the custody about 7 years. And the convicted under section 302 and other alleged offenses for life imprisonment, my lord. My lord, in the last occasion, your lordships had granted him 3 months interim bail. He availed that and he surrendered, my lord. I am filing the surrender certificate, my lord, today. I have filed this bail application on some of the facts without entering to the merit of this case in detail, some of the facts, Your Lordship's permission, I will.
Are you sure you should not, in a post-conviction matter,
Yes, my lord.
you will not enter into the merits of the case and simply other facts should be looked into while
Some of, because the appellant has,
what is the relevance of this in the appeal?
he has surrendered, my lord.
No, we are not saying that whether he has not surrendered.
Your Lord. My lord, I'd like to.
You
My lord, I'd like to refer the page number 77, running page. It is the judgment of the learned trial court, my lord.
You argue the best point in favor of
Yes,
the appellant
yes, that only
for grant of bail.
Yes, my
So
lord.
don't argue the appeal because you are not the court to hear the appeal.
Yes, my lord. The best part which is in favor of my client, that is what I'm presenting, my lord.
So better you go to the state away the evidence.
Yes, my lord. That
Yes.
I'm doing. Page number 77, my lord.
The other learned counsel appearing in this appeal because there are so many appellants represented by several.
I am clarifying, my lord. There are, my lord, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8 appeal, my lord. I am appearing, my
So,
lord.
Mr. Yes, you are appearing for one of the appellants.
One of them.
You are moving for the bail for him?
No, my lord. But today I filed, my lord, two miscases, my lord. My lord. One for, my lord, sterilization fine and one for miscase for bail, my lord.
You don't straight away go to the 8th matter.
Okay.
Go to the second matter. Mr. J.K. Ponda.
Okay.
Look at the. Apana karibe ita. Are you moving for bail?
I am appearing in the.
Dayananda Mahapatra?
Yes, my lord. I am appearing on
Mr.
behalf.
Barik.
Yes, my lord.
You will be moving for bail?
Yes.
You have also filed IA?
Yes.
On behalf of Mr. Ponda?
See, कौन कहले?
I'm
अपन कौन टिके माइक्रोफोन टा टिके यूज करना है?
on behalf of Mr. Ponda.
You will be pressing your IA for bail.
My lord.
So all are ready with your IAs.
Yes, my lord.
And Mr. Nayak, you have sought for stay of operation of the judgment.
Yes, my lord.
And,
No, judgment is not.
One
Sentence, my
no, there is an IA for stay of operation of the judgment. Who has filed it? Prasanna Kumar Nayak.
My lord, myself.
या भीतर ना तो बदलनी.
No.
You have filed an IA for the stay of operation of the judgment.
My prayer is for the bail, my lord.
No, bail is there. Along with the bail, there is an IA for.
Somebody is represented by the amicus. Upon amicus?
No.
My lord, with the lordship's permission, matter may be referred to any other day, my lord. So, my lord, today I filed IA, my lord. With the consent of my friends, my lord, two of the friends, my lord, are trying to adjourn any other days.
You don't want hearing today?
Na today na I file korichi.
No, fair enough. But the problem,
consent
please appreciate. No, it's not a question of consent. If you start hearing piecemeal, that it leads to nowhere.
Special bench, my lord. Special bench. Author bench.
Bench constitution regular was.
The conviction is based on what?
My lord,
Conviction is based on direct evidence or circumstantial evidence?
Eyewitness.
Who are the eyewitnesses?
My lord, eyewitness is PW
Brother.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1 to 4.
1 to 4.
1, 2, and 3, my lord.
1,
3
2,
and 4
3.
also.
1, 2, and 3.
4
The
is
eyewitnesses
independent witness
and the post occurrence natural witnesses is PW number 10, who is the wife of the deceased man.
It is a post occurrence witness. They have stayed in their.
Yes. And the page number 77 of the judgment, your lordship, running page,
Yes.
is clearly mentioned based on which witnesses the conviction has been made.
All right.
That is, I like with the permission of your honor.
We will hear it. We will hear it.
Yeah, ma'am.
Since some of your colleagues have some
My lord.
difficulty today. And Mr. Das.
my lord. I am my lord for last item.
No, last item.
In view of the prisoner's petition, I appeared, my lord.
Jail criminal.
ଆପଣ ଆମକୁ ଭୋଜି ଫୋଜି ନ ଡାକିକିରି ଆପଣ ଡକ୍ଟରେଟ ପାଇଲେ।
ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା କରେକ୍ସନ କରିବାକୁ ଆର୍ଥର କହୁଥିଲି, ଏଥର ପ୍ରେୟାର କରୁଛି। ମୁଁ ଡକ୍ଟର ନୁହେଁ, ସେ ଡକ୍ଟର ହେଇଯାଇଛି। DASH ଜାଗାରେ DASH ହେଇଛି। ଦିଟା କରେକ୍ସନ ହବ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ।
ଆଉ ଆପଣ ଡକ୍ଟର ହେଇଗଲେନି ଆଉ।
ନା ମୁଁ ହେଇନାହିଁ, କାହିଁକି ଡକ୍ଟର
ଗୋଟେ ଏଜ୍ ଲାଗି ଯାଇଛି,
ଏଜ୍ ଟେ ଅଧିକା ହେଇଯାଇଛି। ଡକ୍ଟର ୱାର୍ଡ ଡିଲିଟ ହେଇଯାଉ।
ହଁ ମାନେ ପ୍ରିଫିକ୍ସ ସଫିକ୍ସ and you have grievance so far as prefix and suffix both are concerned. Shakespeare follow କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି, rose is a rose by whatever name you call it, isn't it? ନାଇଁ ଥାଉ, ଡାକ୍ତରଟା ଭଲ ଶୁଭୁଛି।
ମୁଁ ପ୍ରକୃତରେ ନୁହେଁ, କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ
In Odisha, actually, several places, doctor is a name. Several places, especially because I have close connections with Keonjhar, Mayurbhanj. So doctor is a one of Bhanaja is doctor. Like Mr. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁଟା ହେବ ଡକ୍ଟର ଦାସ।
ମୁଁ ତ ନୁହେଁ, ତେଣୁ
ଶ୍ରୀ ଡକ୍ଟର ଦାସ।
ଆପଣ ଯାହା ନାଁରେ ଡାକୁଛନ୍ତି ମତେ ବେଲ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
My lord, the jail prisoner petition is there, my lord. Earlier it was jail criminal appeal. Subsequently,
that part I have played. I have understood. I was asking that where is the amicus? My esteemed brother said that you are engaged now by the basis of the prisoners.
On the consent of the parties. Is this matter?
In all the cases, my lord, the interim bail may be granted, my lord. They were in more than 1.5 years.
Mr. Naik, have you gone through the recent judgment of the Supreme Court?
My lord.
Kindly go through the recent judgment of the Supreme Court, and then we'll like to have your assistance.
Okay.
Particularly relating to interim bail. On the consent of the parties, list this matter on 15th. Learned Counsel Sri Das, appearing in jail criminal appeal number 19 of 2024, submits that he has filed an IA today.
IA number 122 of 25, and another IA, my lord, 123 of 25.
IA is 122 and 23 of 25. Okay. The same be listed on the next day. Registry is requested to reflect the name of the Counsel Sri Das as Ashok DS inverted comma instead of the wrong reflection in the cause list today. So and so. It be ensured that such mistakes do not occur in future.
Copy formulated.
No, that's it.
AG appears in all matters. Mr. Mahanti?
My lord.
Mahanti appears in all cases.
AG appears in all cases.
Lordship, keeping it date as
15 or when this bench sits next. Since it is a break bench, we can't predict exactly. It may be earlier also. Availability of
Obligement.
surrender time ରଖିଦେବେ ତାଙ୍କ ଫାଇନାଲ ଲଗେଇବେ। ହେଉଛି CRL 81 of 2020. ଗୋଟେ ଯେମିତି ଆପଣ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରି କରନ୍ତି ଗୋଲ ଗୋଲ ଲାଗୁଛି ଅଛି।
Who has given the surrender certificate?
That is
Binoy Patra.
Binoy Patra. Accused number 7, convict number 7.
Surrender certificate 9.
Appellant number 7.
Surrender certificate submitted by the appellant in CRLA 81 of 24, submitted in court, is taken on record.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Patra. You want to say anything?
Yes, I want to move that bail.
No. I hope you are alive to the situation, the learned colleagues. So you in a conviction of a single trial, all are moving for bail, and your matter will be heard, and their matters will not be heard. And all of you have spent only 7 years in imprisonment. So you must understand that they want to move. So it has to be taken up
Obliged, your lordship.
together. You got the date. Next date is 15th or maybe earlier.
Obliged, your lordship.
Yes.
Obliged.
Item 4, may I please? The appellant, sole appellant, and is convicted.
Item number 4,
Yes.
he has served copies of the depositions of PW1 to PW33. So I have to go through that. Maybe on 15th may be taken up.
May be taken.
The appellant has obtained change. Acha, Mahesh, you are there also.
I am, my power is there.
Prakash Kumar Ma.
My lord, I was on bail during trial, and I am inside custody since 5 years and 6 months, and no direct evidence, and everything.
Yes.
If you love,
It is a case of murder of second wife by throttling when nobody was there. So direct evidence, eyewitnesses are not there. For circumstantial evidence, I have to go through the entire.
If it is a murder of wife, from where the eyewitnesses will come? Mr. Swai, if it is a murder of, if it is the death of a wife,
yes.
So where is the question of direct evidence?
Yes, the circumstance. Therefore, I was PW1 to 33.
Go through that. I will after.
15th, come on 15th.
So Mahesh Das for the appellant petitioner, Mr. Sanjeev Swai AGA for the opposite party state, respondent state. The learned counsel for the learned AGA submits that he has been served with the depositions of PWs 1 to 33 today. He may be accommodated to go through the same to assist the court. As prayed for, list on 15/5/2025 oblique when this bench sits next.
15 तारीख.
May please. The appellant had been convicted under section 302/201 IPC and sentenced to undergo RI for life.
Yes.
Yes, here there is no eyewitness to the occurrence. Entire case is based on circumstantial evidence.
Yes.
And the only circumstances is the present appellant had been in the house of the deceased and her minor daughter. They were residing in her in-laws' house, and her wife and 2 sons, they had been to Hyderabad to work in brick clean.
Kindly speak to the microphone.
I was assigned to London AC, but so I don't have a file. So
Pass over, you call it.
both the cases.
The next week, I have some other matter.
Other day.
Monday, Tuesday.
Mr. Joshi,
Yes, ma'am.
as late as in August 24, your
Yes,
bail application was
yes,
rejected.
6/8/2024.
Yes.
Your Lordship, along with Justice D. Das.
Yes.
Yes.
So what is the change in circumstance?
My lord?
What is the change in circumstance within a period of 6 months?
No change, circumstance.
Then you're virtually seeking a review.
No, 6 days. On 6 it is well rejected. Your Lordship, along with Justice D.
Will
Das.
not take up within such short duration.
My lord?
Will not take up within that such short duration.
And may your Lordship keep it after vacation also.
No, why should we keep it after vacation?
So Joshi, unless you, in the meantime, Haji crossed like 10 years have been completed.
No, my lord. He is custodian since 15/4/2022.
So that you must consider. So after 3 years, you start filing bail applications repeatedly. Is there any the filing of multiple bail applications successively? Is it a change of circumstance? That's the query of.
No, in fact, no change.
Don't press it.
My lord?
Don't press
it again.
Let it come after vacation. Let the IA be live, or else.
On the prayer of the council.
This much. The last August
No,
was
it's
rejected,
correct.
not accepted.
Thank you.
Learned Mr. S.K. Joshi for the appellant petitioner. Mr. Sethi, Ansuman Sethi is there. Five.
Rajdeep Pradhan.
Mr. Rajdeep Pradhan ASC, along with Mr. Devraj Mahanti, D. Mahanti AGA for the opposite party. Respondent opposite party. The learned counsel for the petitioner appellant seeks accommodation to advance arguments
After vacation.
as prayed for, list after vacation. Stop to be listed when this bench sits next.
I am for the appellant. Please, I am respondent.
So which IA has been filed? It's disposed of.
Respondent had filed the IA to recall the order dated 16/12/2024. Part in IA number.
IA number ta?
356 of 2024.
IA number 193 million. 193 of 2025.
How many IAs you have filed?
2 IA I have filed. The respondent had filed 2 IA. To recall
356 is for condonation of delay, maybe the earlier one. 194 you are saying. 194 is IA for condonation.
Limitation, recall petition that should be filed within 30 days, but
recall of the judgment.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Recall of the order dated.
Which order?
Order part in 16/12/2024 for condonation of delay of 3062 days.
So kindly place that to Das. The order dated 16/12/24, kindly place. Yes, we are saying something.
Yes, my lord. I am the respondent and I have filed the IA to recall the order.
You have filed?
Yes, my lord.
So you place it the
Yes,
order where you find what is the problem. You start reading.
Yes, my lord.
Order number 3.
Deliberately the.
No, kindly read, sir. The order, sir. Don't give the address on merits.
Yes, my lord.
So go through the order which you seek recall. Order dated 16/12/2024.
Both the notices were return answered.
ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି recall କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସେଟା place କରନ୍ତୁ court ର consideration ପାଇଁ. You must understand this is special bench. I was a party to the earlier bench and this bench has been constituted along with my esteemed brother. So please place that.
May I permitted to place it also?
No. He is the dominus lightus, whatever is called.
Sorry, Mila.
You don't have the copy of the order. You can always use this. This is the future.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, even that is better than, let's say, all-in-one system. You can even use your pen drives, everything. Go and read that. Go to the other side. To the left of Mr. Das, you can use the paperless system. ठीक है, तुम असिस्ट कर देबे कि जाएगी तंग the computer operator को छाड़ दियो तो से आपण को she will assist you.
Got the order.
पढो ताले.
Mr. Das, learned advocate, appear on behalf of the appellant and submitted postal article bearing.
First, you start with the order number and the date. When you start reading a order, because it's a disposed of matter, so just order number 3 dated 16/12.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Mr. Das, learned advocate, appear on behalf of the appellant and submit postal article bearing notice and send fresh requisite put in pursuant to the order dated 19 November 2024 has also been returned. He press the for convolution of reported delay of 3062 days and some admitted the appeal. It appears from the return postal article the endorsement made in insufficient address for returning it to sender. We have compare address given in the postal article with the respondent address as appearing in the impugned expertise order dated 23 February 2016. They have the same address, but the postal article could not be served. It clear the respondent went before the family court giving incorrect address. As such, we consider the situation to be of good service.
So,
Mr.
I'm
Das.
sorry, your name, sir?
S.R. Tripathi.
The Tripathi, you were the petitioner in the family court?
No, petitioner is the appellant.
You were the petitioner.
Before CMA number
before the family
I'm
court.
not asking the name. Who moved the civil court?
After the judgment passed in the CP by the Lord Family Judge Baleswar, thereafter I have filed one petition before the Lord Family Judge under Order 9 Rule 13 that has been also rejected on the ground. And
who was the petitioner before the Lord?
Petitioner for divorce has been filed. The husband
has been filed by the husband.
Husband. Respondent.
You are the petitioner.
Yes.
There. So then don't say no. Yes. Then proceed. Read further.
Mr. Das referred to paragraph 2 in the application condonation of delay. Contention of the applicant is by impugned expertise order dated 23 February 2016. The respondent obtained dissolution of marriage in the suppression thereof. The respondent continued to defend the civil proceeding for divorce. Mr. Das is requested to communicate the web copy of this order. Learned advocate who represent respondent in civil court, Soro Baleswar. The acknowledgement is filed on adjournment date. We accept the cause. So in the application, the delay is condoned and the appeal is admitted. The application is disposed of. Appellant will put in requisites for issuance of notice of appeal. The lower court record be called for. On query, Mr. Das submitted the proceeding before civil court remain pending while by impugned expertise order no permanent alimony was directed.
So you have made your submission. You are satisfied,
my lord. But in notice, as per,
have you
yes,
have you read with consternation? Have you read the order passed by making the notice sufficient?
Okay.
So you have no case for recall. IA number.
Deliberately they have mentioning the wrong address and wrong PIN code in the.
Mr. Tripathi, don't go on a speech while pressing a civil matter when the particulars are given in the order itself. I asked you, I interrupted you while reading paragraph 2.
Okay.
You have read it, read to your satisfaction. That clinches the issue. We cannot reopen the matter again. Suppose you have anything on merit.
Okay.
Anything on merit, you argue on merit.
Oh. So in spite of that, they have also taken a plea that.
Sir, we are not the appellate court.
My lord, they have to condone.
I will beseech you to kindly
also pleaded
instead of going on, please, I beseech you to respond to what the court is saying. You see, you still have a case to argue in the appeal. So we argue there. But regarding sufficiency of notice and all that, you can't argue now.
Besides that, they have taken a plea that they have came to know.
Again, you are Mr. Tripathi, you are digressing from the order which you seek to be recalled or reviewed. So their contentions, we are not, either way we are not deciding. They may have a very bad plea, but you argue before the appropriate court.
সেটা ঠিক আছে কিন্তু they have pleaded
Please carry on. Carry on, sir.
besides the insufficiency of notice, they have pleaded another things. They came to know
Sir,
about
sir,
ex parte order.
sir,
They came to know about
Mr.
ex parte.
Tripathi, have I not answered that that you may have so many things to say on merits as far as
Merits
the
no.
so as far as this aspect of the court giving finding regarding the address in the petition in the CP which you have filed,
Another pleading is there.
order.
Okay.
Order cannot, whatever the order reflects, you go by that. Any mistakes you point out, fair enough.
Okay.
Be satisfied with that.
Okay.
IA number 194 of 2025, arising out of MATA, that is at flag C. Arising out of IA number 193, subject title bhul likha hai. The IA arises out of another IA, not the MATA. IA 194 arising out of IA number 193 of 2025, then bracket arising out of MATA number 325 of 2024. The IA has been filed for the condonation of delay in filing the another IA 193 of 2025 for recall of order dated 16/12/2024, passed in MATA number 325 of 2024. The matter has been endorsed to this bench as one of the members, M.S.Sahoo J, was party to the judgment, party to the order dated 16/12/2024. Was not party name, was member of the bench that passed the order dated 16/12/2024 in MATA number 325 of 2024 and IA number 356 of 2024. Mr. Das, you are objecting to the delay condonation.
My lord, I am objecting the delay which has been filed before this Honorable Court for consideration.
You have filed objection.
Recall the order dated 16/12/2024.
Mr. Das, appearance likhe, Mr. Tripathi. You apun pura name?
S.R. Tripathi.
S.R. Tripathi for the petitioner. Respondent? Mr. S. Das for the appellant opposite party. The learned counsel for the Mr. Das for the opposite party opposes the prayer for condonation of delay. We have gone through the petition. Considering the grounds stated in the petition for condonation of delay,
Subsequently change the
objection file करचंती तांको.
I have filed objection to the petition filed the IA filed by the my lord.
delay file करचंती की.
yes.
My lord.
काई सेडा पाउ मिलुनी सेडा आज्ञा. केबे फाइल करचंती डेटा कहि परिबे?
On the same day, that is 29 April 2025, my lord.
हाँ, फाइल objection ठीक है.
No.
That's objection. Mr. Das has filed objection election चला. हाँ, लिखता ठीक है. हाँ.
May I permitted to send the original?
Yes, we are condoning the delay. Considering the ground stated in the petition for condonation of delay in filing the IA. We are satisfied that sufficient causes have been shown. We accept the same. The delay is condoned. IA stands disposed of.
As per
Then take up Korantu IA 193.
As per government notification, the postal address already changed.
The IA has been filed for recall of the order dated 16/12/2024, passed in MATA number 325 of 2024 and IA number 356 of 2024. It is submitted that the address given in the address of the respondent given in the appeal is not the address where he resides, and he was not served with the notice. Referring on being asked regarding the observations and findings in the order at paragraph 2, that is, the addresses given in the postal article with the respondent's address as appearing in the ex parte order dated 23rd February 2016, passed by the learned so and so judge, to be matching with each other, the learned counsel for the petitioner appellant fairly submits that he was in fact the petitioner before the learned court in the said proceeding, and the address does match.
As for government notification, subsequently that has the post office has been changed.
Mr. Tripathi, whatever it may be, the address matches and the postal article is returned to that place.
Post office change.
Whatever. In any event, it has to be noticed that the respondent has entered appearance through his counsel in the MATA, in the pending MATA. We do not find in any merit in the IA, the same stands dismissed. The matter shall be placed before the assigned bench. We could not for consideration. Yes. The next matter, second matter, MATA 256.
That is the connected matter. 256, which was a file before this Honorable Court.
Matter to challenging. IA file करचंती.
No IA. That is analogous.
Along with the connected MATA 256 of 2024. Yes.
CMAPL registration of the main read petition 6616/2016, my lord. None of it dismissed, my lord. The previous counsel, Mr. Biskenag, is expired on 8/9/2020. The difficult part of the petition of counseling appearing for the petitioner to keep track on the movement of the case record for which petitioner counsel was not able to appear before the Honorable Court on 26 April 2023. After petitioner came to know, after getting the copy of the order dated 26/4/2020.
Have you filed condonation of delay for restoration?
My lord.
So what are the grounds? CMAPL file करचंती.
Page 3, my lord. My lord. Page 3, para 4, my lord. The conducting counsel, Mr. Basant Kumar Naik.
After that, sir. After that, you have taken more than 2 years to approach this court. 1 year. केबे dismissal है?
26 April 2023.
हाँ, आपण केबे आसले?
29 August 2024.
After so आपण वर्षे 4 मास.
Sir.
So how you have explained वर्षे 4 मास?
Sir, main sir, para 4, my lord. Mr. Basant Kumar Naik is expired on 8/9/2020. He is a conducting counsel for the appellant, my lord. Petitioner to keep track on the movement of the case record for which petitioner counsel was not able to appear before the Honorable Court on 26 April 2023. Petitioner came to know after getting the copy of the order, after getting received order, my lord, 7 August.
Sir, आपण गोटे contradictory stand नउचंती. Once you say that the allotted counsel passed away, how can he keep track of the record?
My lord, petitioner. My lord, petitioner.
Nana, upon oblique lecture very clearly. What is this? You should be careful in drafting. Then we will also accept that.
No, sir, petitioner already. I, my lord, counsel opinion for the petitioner. I am for the petitioner. My
when did you file? Then you should have mentioned that you filed Wakalatnama on so and so date. Where you have mentioned?
Sir, para page my lord, 5 my lord, page 33, para 5 my lord. Petitioner came to know after getting the copy of the order date 26 for 2020, part number 2 on 7 August 2024. Petitioner has filed the aforesaid application on 29.
Again, 4 and 5 are contradictory.
Para 6 my lord.
When Mr. Naik was, substituted by the second counsel, the subsequent counsel, what is the date?
After receiving of the order from the opposite part number 2.
What is the difficulty? What order you are challenging? Merits se bhi kaun achi?
My lord, read petition annexer 10 and 11, 20, 12 my lord is undertaking to pay the area amount of rupees 1 crore 39,79,425 within 15 days. As the amount very high, it is not possible to pay the full amount in one payment. So we would request your favor to allow us to pay 12 equal installments. Allowing.
Why? Apna jo merit challenge kurchonti, don't read the order.
My lord.
How you are agreed by the order?
GRF.
A recovery was set aside by whom?
GRF, my lord.
GRF?
My lord.
So you are saying that you are not aware of the order. Was there any stay of the order impugned of the GRF you obtained?
GRF order against.
Then your demand, you have slept over it. Nothing can be attributed to even the consumer. It is your appeal against the consumer.
In meantime, he is undertaking to pay equal installment, my lord.
Niyantu notice?
My lord.
IA 388?
My lord.
IA 388 of 2024? The petition has been filed by the petitioner. The same appeal order kurchundi. 285 of 2021. Item 7. The same appeal has been filed for recall of the order dated 26/4/2023, passed by a bench where one of us, M.S.Sahoo, J. was a member. The matter has been assigned and listed before this bench as endorsed by Honorable the Chief Justice. The Honorable the Acting Chief Justice. The Honorable the Acting Chief Justice. The IA has been filed for condonation of delay in filing the petition for recall of the order dated 26/4/2023. Issue notice along with this order. Requisites for issuance of notice by speed/registered post be filed
within 7.
Within 3 working days. List after SR, liberty to mention for listing before the assigned bench. Liberty to mention for listing.
Extremely sorry, I was in.
Yes, please.
My lord, item 3, I was appointed as the amicus. I was on legs in another courtroom. I could not come during that time, my lord.
Doctor, actually the prisoner has sent a petition for engaging Mr. Das.
My lord, my lord.
So thanks for your efforts. If you can assist Mr. Das.
Absolutely, my lord.
Also assist. That will be a good experience also.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Highly obliged.